cutscenes with a survival theme as you're basically going about your own way, doing quests at your own pace, lighting bonfires in this case to claim territory, hunting, foraging to build your own weapons, and you can play the game any way you like within the sort of rules they've set. So it does feel very familiar to the last few games, but in another sense they have taken it to a kind of natural conclusion. So yeah, that's the PlayStation 4 version, but I guess the question remains is how will the Xbox One and PC versions turn out once they come out in February? You did the face-off for this, didn't you?
I did, yeah, I did the Far Cry 4 face-off. I imagine with the Xbox One version, we're probably going to be looking at a resolution around sort of, well, the Far Cry 4 was 1440 by 1080.
Yeah.
So I imagine if they're going to cut back on anything, they might sort of use the same resolution. That's the major difference I expect with Xbox One. One area I do hope they improve is the resolution on Xbox One. They use the HRAA to reconstruct the 1440 frame buffer into 1080p.
Yeah, that's
and
it.
There were some artifacts.
It didn't look quite right, did it, at all points? And it looked quite soft as well.
Yeah, there was periods where it would be quite smooth, and then there'd be jaggies on foliage. So it would kind of go between the two, image quality-wise. That's pretty much the biggest thing I'd like to see changed or improved. But other than that, I imagine it's going to be a similar setup, just from what I've seen with the PlayStation 4 version of this game.
And do you remember much of the PC version?
I remember they had this volumetric or NVIDIA enhanced
volumetric
fog, which kind of caked the entire environment in this thick mist, which it looked great in sort of dense jungle areas.
But it didn't really help the gameplay, did it? It was a bit
of
overbearing.
Yeah, it didn't work in all environments. It was kind of just posted sort of everywhere rather than in places where it would make sense. So,
but we can expect more features like that from the PC version when it arrives. I guess we'll have to wait and see. Anyway, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this little discussion and hope to see you in the next one.
Indeed. Thanks for watching. See you next time.